Okay, today I'm going to do two quick unboxings to see what we have here. I always like to do this because recently I've been scammed so much online that it's just a good idea to make sure a company sees that you've literally unboxed their products and that you got what you got. Because a lot of times things come in broken, and so that's just something that I've started to do recently because I want to show people what they're truly getting. Oh, this is interesting. You get 3M accessories for airbag. I'm not sure what that's for. And in here I got a whole bunch, and this should be 20 of these. I'm not going to count this on video, but you should be able to see that there's 20 of them, hopefully. Alright, so that's one, and it's kind of cool that they came with these extra things. I'm not sure what they are, but yeah, free stuff. Cool.